You're watching Kiddos World TV!
Hi kiddos! I am Miss V and welcome back to Kiddos World TV. And in today's activity, we will learn how to write the lowercase letters of the alphabet. So sharpen that pencil, grab some paper, and let's practice writing together. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Then let's start writing!
Woohoo!
Now let's write our first lowercase letter, the letter A. This letter is easy to write. You only need 2 steps to do it. I'll show you how.
Cool.
First, start in the middle and draw a curved line down to the left and all the way to the bottom. Second, return to the middle, then draw a straight line down. You're doing great! It's easy, right? Now let's do some more.
Awesome!
Our next letter is the letter B. This letter can also be finished in 2 easy steps. And this is how you do it. Start at the top and draw a straight line down. From the middle, draw a backward curved line down and close. Wow, I'm impressed. You did great! Let's move on to the next letter.
Wonderful!
We are now at our third letter, the letter C. I am sure you will find this letter very easy. Follow me and I'll show you.
Perfect!
Start in the middle and draw a curve down to the left, all the way to the bottom and up again. You're doing an amazing job, kiddos. Let's keep on writing.
It's so much fun!
The next one is the letter D. There are only 2 steps to do this letter. Watch carefully and see how I write this letter, kiddos.
All right!
Start at the top and draw a straight line down. From the middle, draw a curved line down to the left and close. Very good! Time to do the next one.
Love it!
Let's do the next one, kiddos. It's the letter E. Again, follow my hand and watch how I do it.
Brilliant!
Start to draw a line across between the middle line and the bottom line. Next, from the tip of the line, draw a line curving up to the left, down to the bottom, and curving up again. And you're done. Excellent work, kiddos!
Yes! We got it!
Our next letter is
F.
That's right! You guessed that correctly. It's the letter F. Time to write this letter.
Excellent!
Draw a curved line up to the left and down. Next, from the middle, draw a line across. Let's keep on working, kiddos.
High five!
And for our next letter, let's do the letter G. Let's start writing.
Yay!
Start in the middle and draw a curve down to the left and all the way to the bottom and up again. Then, back to the middle Draw a line down all the way outside the bottom line and curve it up. Great work, kiddos!
Woohoo!
Now, let's write our next letter, the letter H. This letter can be done in 2 simple steps. Let's do this.
Great!
Step 1. From the top, draw a straight line down. Step 2. Draw a curved line to the right and all the way down to the bottom line. Wow, you're such a fast learner! Way to go, kiddos!
Wow!
Kiddos, do you know what the next letter is?
I.
You guessed that right. The letter I. This is an easy letter to do. I'll show you how it's done.
Fantastic!
From the middle, draw a straight line down. To finish, make a dot between the top line and the middle line. It's easy, right? Great work, kiddos!
Yay!
Our next letter is the letter J. Watch closely, kiddos, and I'll show you how easy it is to write this letter. Let's start.
Awesome!
Start in the middle and draw a line down all the way outside the bottom line and curve it up. To finish, make a dot between the top line and the middle line. Amazing job, kiddos!
Wonderful!
Our next letter is the letter K. This letter can be done in 3 steps. Let's do this, kiddos!
All right!
Make a straight line down. And from the middle, draw a slanting line to the left between the middle line and the bottom line. And from the same spot, draw a slanting line down to the right. Great work, kiddos!
It's so much fun!
This next letter is the easiest letter to write. The letter L. Look, I will show you how simple it is. From the top, draw a straight line down. And you're done! I told you it was easy. Wow! We are halfway through our writing activity. Let's continue to our next letter, which is the letter M. Follow me, kiddos.
Cool.
From the middle, draw a straight line down. Then below the middle line, make a curved line going to the right and down to the bottom. And to finish, do the same step from the middle line and make a curved line going to the right and down to the bottom. Good work, kiddos!
Marvelous!
Our next letter is the letter N. This letter is written the same way as the letter M, but easier. Let's do this, kiddos!
Wonderful!
From the middle, draw a straight line down. Then below the middle line, make a curved line going to the right and down to the bottom. And we're done! On to the next letter, kiddos!
Woohoo!
Let's do our next letter, kiddos. The letter O. There's only one step to write this letter. Let's go!
Fantastic!
Starting from the middle line, draw a curved line down to the left, all the way from the bottom, and back to the middle and close. Excellent job, kiddos!
Wow!
Our next letter is the letter B. This letter can be done in 2 easy steps. Follow my lead, kiddos!
All right!
First, from the middle line, draw a straight line down through the bottom line. Second, draw a curve from the middle up to the bottom and close. Fantastic work, kiddos!
Yes! We got it!
Now, let's move on to our next letter, kiddos. The letter Q. This letter can also be done in 2 easy steps. Let's work on it.
Excellent!
From the middle, draw a curved line to the left, all the way at the bottom and curve it up. Then, from the middle, draw a straight line down. And that's it!
Yay!
Our next letter is the letter R. This letter can be done in 2 simple steps. Watch and see how I do it.
Love it!
First, from the middle, draw a straight line down. Second, below the middle line, draw a curved line going to the right. And you're done! Wonderful! Let's move on to the next letter.
Awesome!
Our next letter is a fun one. It's the letter S. Watch, and I'll guide you on how to do this. Below the middle line, draw a curved line to the left, down to the right, until you reach the bottom. Then curve it up to the left. And that's the way you do it.
Wow!
Kiddos, can you guess again what's our next letter?
T!
Great job! The letter T. This letter can be done in 2 easy steps. Follow me.
All right!
From the top, draw a straight line all the way down. Next, in the middle line, draw a straight line across the finish. Super easy, right?
Yeah!
Let's work on our next letter, the letter U. Kiddos, let's do this!
Brilliant!
From the middle, draw a straight line down all the way to the bottom and curving up. Back to the middle, draw a straight line down. Excellent job, kiddos! Let's write the next letter.
It's so much fun!
Our next letter is the letter V. This letter is done by combining 2 slanting lines. Kiddos, follow my lead.
Terrific!
From the middle line, draw a slanting line down to the right. And from the bottom, draw another slanting line up. Well done, kiddos! Let's keep working.
Perfect!
Our next letter consists of 4 slanting lines. The letter W. Let's do this, kiddos.
Cool.
From the middle line, draw a slanting line down to the right. And from the bottom, draw another slanting line up to the right. From the middle, repeat the same steps and draw a slanting line down to the right and another slanting line up to the right.
Wow!
Fantastic! Let's keep going.
Yay!
Our next letter is the letter X. Again, more slanting lines. Same steps. Let's start.
Excellent!
From the middle line, draw a slanting line down to the right. Then back to the middle, draw a slanting line, but this time going down to the left.
Yay!
That's an easy one, right?
Yeah!
We're almost done, kiddos. We're now on the letter Y. Let's do this.
Terrific!
Start in the middle line. Draw a slanting line down to the right. Return to the middle. Draw a slanting line going to the left bottom and extend. Great work, kiddos!
Woohoo!
Wow! We are now on our last letter, kiddos. The final letter is the letter Z. Let's give our best on this one. Follow me.
Alright!
From the middle, draw a straight line across. And on the same spot, draw a slanting line down to the left. To finish, draw a straight line again across to the right.
Woohoo!
And we are done! Yay! And we did it, kiddos! Amazing job! Wow! You've come a long way, kiddos! Congratulations! Give yourself a pat on the back by doing such an amazing job on completing this writing activity with me. Always practice, kiddos, and I'll see you at the next one. But before I end this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. For more educational videos like this one, you can find Kiddos World TV by typing it in the next YouTube search bar. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye, Miss V.
Having fun, kiddos? Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next videos.